Hi, Arc Digest. I'm Carole Radziwill. Welcome to my home. I love padded walls, and that was inspiration I got from my mother-in-law, my late husband's mom, Lee Radziwill, who has the best taste, I think, in all of New York City. It's not wallpaper, it's fabric. I've redone my entire home to match my kitties. When I wake up, it's a menagerie of animals. It's so much fun. Right, Belly? My mother-in-law had this couch custom made in the late 60s. It was a very famous fabric, silk velvet, thick. It was handmade on special looms in Paris. It is probably the most comfortable couch that anyone had ever sat on. And here on the floor are my prized possessions, my Lelen sheep. Welcome to my closet / kitty den. It's actually my closet, but it's also for the kitties. I keep my Roni apple. And my tagline this year was, in my friend group, I win the popular vote, which is super arrogant, but super on point for Real Housewives. And that's a wrap. Thank you for taking a tour of my home with me. Take care.